Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nursing Notes, and today I will discuss about scenarium unconsciousness, in which altered scenarios. Introduction. The totally of those part of the brain that receive, process and interpret sensory stimuli. The synorism is the supposed seat of sensation, the place to which impression from the external world are conveyed by and perceived. The scenarium also referred to the entire sensory affairs of the body. Definition: the total of those parts of the brain that receive, process and interpret sensory stimuli. The sensorium is the supposed seat of sensation, the place to which impressions from the external world are conveyed and received. After altered scenarium, the term altered scenarium describes limitation on or problem with the brain's ability to receive, process or interpret sensory information. Example: altered scenarium includes hallucinatory and confusional states, delirium, coma and sleeps. It is a unconsciousness stage. Causes: head injury, cerebral gastroplasm infection, poisons, etc. Assessment: first one, physical assessment. Second one is Glasgow scale, in which Glasgow scale, GCL scale, eye opening, spontaneous 4 number, 2 speech 3, 2 pain 2 and no response 1. After verbal response: oriented 5 number, confused given 4 number, inappropriate words given 3 number, incomprehensive sound given 2 number and no response given 1 number. Motor response: obey commands, in which give 6 number, localize give 5 number, withdrawals 4 number, flexes 3, extendence 2 or no response 1. Total score is 3 to 5. 3 is a lower severe condition, or 15 is the normal condition. Care of unconscious patient: it is a lack of awareness of environment and the inability to respond to external stimuli. Second one, unconscious is a condition where cerebral functions are depressed and patient has inability to respond to sensory stimuli. A coma is a state of unconsciousness. Treatment: respiration should be maintained by patient airway. The passage should clear obstruction. If necessary, oxygen should be administered. Blood gas studies should be monitored. If the patient in the shock, if should be treated, reduce the intracranial pressure. Ventricular tapping to remove the CSF, cerebrospinal fluid, Breuer hole to monitor intracranial pressure. Third one, use of osmotic diuretic to relieve tension causes due to cerebral edema. Example, mannitol or free use might. Given antibiotics are necessary to treat infection, sedatives are prescribed for restless patient. Stool softener may be required to prevent constipation. Specific treatment should be start early. Nursing management, consent observation, vital sign, complication, respiration by airway, clear semi-prone position on the one side given, do suction, clear secretion, facilitate ventilation according to level consciousness, observe sign, reflex and response. Cerebral edema should be prevented by diuretics, eye care, protect from injury, prevent pressure sources, prevent constipation and deformity should be prevented.